What's up, everybody? My name is Peculiar, and I am a software developer. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys tips on how to share databases between PCs from XAMPP, MySQL. All right. So the first thing you want to know is that you want to do is that you got to make sure that you've got XAMPP installed, right? Basically. So and then you go over to the XAMPP control panel. I got mine open right here. You can see that right there. So you make sure Apache is running, MySQL is hot, and then you click on the admin. Now, clicking on this admin will take you to your PHP My Admin. Let's just do that so you can see. Yeah, so I've got PHP My Admin running here now, but I want to do that. I want to show you guys something else. So basically, when you come to localhost, I'm just gonna create new tab, close old one. Now I'm in a new tab now. I just click tab on localhost. Yeah, so I had um my dashboard reconfigured. Yeah, because I wanted to give it a little like a so cool vibe, so basically but the default one would have your navigation panel all the way right there, as you can see. And then you would find PHP my admin somewhere around here, anyways. Yeah, so you just click on PHP my admin and then that's pop the next one, and then okay, so we're in PHP my admin. Now, the next thing you want to do is that you want to locate the particular database that you want to share. Now, in this case, I created a test database for this particular session so we can see how it works. So now I'm gonna show you how to export the database. All right, so first thing I'm in test, right? Then I just click on export right here. It's pretty simple. So exporting the tables from test database, I export, and then it opens this. So I already had one else from the test. Let's just take that out, and then we've got that, and then save. Yeah, let's just replace it. And that's basically it for the exporting part. Now, say I've done the export and then I want to send it to a new PC and import it. So I can use the same database for maybe different projects, the same projects, some other projects, you know, I can do that. Because simply do that by now, when I want to make sure that I'm using for the same project, let's say I have the project on this PC, but I now want to move it to a different PC, maybe for some other reason, so I can work on it there, or maybe a team member can work on it from their end. So I just export it from my end and then I send it over. So now the first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that you have a database already created that has the exact same name, right? It's very important. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this so I can walk you guys through the process of creating a new database. So, oh no, it's operations, privileges, so let's take, yep. All right, good. So we've got that database cleared up. We're gonna create a new one. Right. So we're gonna just click on. Now I could do click on new, and it basically still take me back to this place. So I just type in the name. It's test, of course, right? So test create. Now boom, and it's in there. So I just click in test and import. Very simple. Straightforward, easy, choose file. I want test of SQL, open, scroll all the way down. You can leave every other format. Well, it depends on what you want to do, though, but you could just pick it away. I'm gonna leave it as this, so import. Yeah, that's the basics. So import, and then boom, you've got that back in there. Username, everything is exactly the way you want it. Pretty beautiful, sweet. And then yeah, that's basically it for that. So I'm gonna be sharing tips on. I'm gonna be sharing more tips on how to walk around the development workspace, stuff like that. So you guys can look out for more of my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to this one. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Peace. Yeah, so let's kill that bug. It's cut. It's taking about time. This very my first video, so yeah, so peace. The Lord bless you.